You, just you, building your app on base 44. Describe it. And it's real. One thought leads to more thoughts. Layer by layer, taking shape. When you need your tools, bring them in.
Hello?
Hello, hello.
Hey. You're watching the market?
Yeah, I'm on the trade right now. 1 second.
Is it long or short?
Long.
Long?
Order filled.
Setting my
Order filled.
manage my just like 2 points away from my target. partial here, top. See if I can run the rest. Yeah, I did. Right now, I'm doing the micro because for me it's better to train my management. Because when I do the MNQ just for one contract, I cannot do like a partial profit. So always I just break even or even loss. So I don't like that. I'm trying to make some change. Let's say for right now, I took like half of my profit at 1 to 2, and then probably another 2 at 1 to 3, and then I'll let the rest go.
It's looking good.
Nice.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Couple more. There. How many ticks was there? Shit, just one tick. Oh my god. One more try. One more time.
It's gonna go.
One more time, one more time. Come on, you got this. I feel like it's coming down.
Order filled.
Oh,
There we
let's
go.
go, baby.
Okay,
I like that.
I like that. And there, that's my final target.
Hit it, right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh. Yep. I forget
It's a
watching
new
your
high.
notes.
I was trying. I was about thinking the market is going to make a new high, but there is the SMT. Oh, it is not actually. I will not count this as a SMT, though. I will count this one. Do you know SMT?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Actually, no, I don't know why that would be an SMT.
So let me pull out my another chart. Yes. 1 minute. So can you see this? This is ES, which is like a.
I cannot see.
ES is the S&P 500, which is called the major. It's like a bunch of stock, like a top 500 company, and then combined to one, and then it's called SMT, S&P. this is how you track the whole market, you know, whatever like a technology or physics or farmer or whatever. So usually but the Nasdaq is only focused on technology. So you see the time over here, 248, and then this is also 248, right? This high, and also you check on the other one, this high. You see they're different. So this high break above this high, however this one cannot, so it will affirm an SMT. This is a higher high, this is a lower high. So usually what we call SMT is like smart money trade. It's like smart money show up there, and then usually the price cannot go above this high because this is where the institution enter. You know yeah, so usually when there's like a differences between any kind of index, for example Nasdaq to ES or YM to ES, anything to ES, you can call the SMT. So
I should practice that.
yeah, ES is the standard. You can just like use the indicator. I have the indicator here.
Is that indicator or you make that?
No. I got this from Noah. He told me this. So this is more like an easier way that you can track the SMT because it's like automatically. So you don't have to like pull up the two chart and then check like switch here and there. You just like use the indicator and then it will show you automatically.
Oh, okay. I see.
SMT Pro.
Oh, SMT
Pro
would
Plus.
yes.
I want to trend down there. Yo bro, let's do the STDV here, see what is going on. That's where the target, yeah, the match there. Find the target. I just put it here. Right here. -2 level. Or you can put the -4 here. I wish it would make a new high first.
Welcome to the world's biggest Coachella watch party. It's Coachella only on YouTube, live from the comfort of your living room.
Do you guys like the BGM that I'm playing right now?
Yeah, I like it.
Like, okay, thank you.
It's not making any sound though. Sometimes I cannot hear it, but I like it because I'm watching it the whole time.
Oh,
It's nice to have some music. Yeah.
I was trying to just play some music to make myself focus on my trade.
Oh,
That's it.
yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think today is like the first time I'm hearing it. I liked it.
Oh, there is somebody talking to me. I didn't see the.
Really?
I didn't see.
Oh shit, I see that. He's going for short. 170 to 120. So
170. Where is it? Oh, right now.
yeah, he gonna short.
Yeah, he can short. This is like there is a selling pressure there, so I was just trading my stop loss at the low. So when the price goes below this low, I will assuming that the trend is no longer in the bull trend. So I can probably just move it a little bit more. And see if it can break through just one bar. Try my best to save it. Tie stop in case it will drain me. They'll say, yeah, right, you're right. There and also there potentially like a SMT again. So usually I will take partial profit at the 2R, 3R, and then I will let the rest go, trading my stop on this structure. But the right way should be like right here instead of here. Just a couple points, I'll just move it down there. The 1 hour IFVG, I think it text once. If it go back to text twice, I'll be sweep out. So why I'm like long here, because you can see the context, right? Oh, I don't know what is going on here, but it's just like going up like crazy. And then so I was thinking about like the first move down will be the pullback. If you want to do the reverse, you probably want to find a second time reverse. That will be a major one, or another minor one, and then you are expecting the third pullback will reverse the trend. Because usually, in my opinion, the trend is like really hard to be reversed. It will takes a lot of buying power or selling power, which means a lot of money. The institutions should get into the trades. That way we can reverse the trend. So it's making a new high, probably another low, but the low cannot like it goes below this low. In other words, like if the trend goes below this low, I will assuming that will be not a
No high.
Hopefully it could like hit my final target though. I was trying to copy my founded account, but you know what? It takes me a lot of time to do it, so I just like I just missed my trade on. I just didn't get the chance to copy my founded account. This is my another two account. Yeah, so far I just locked the around $240 around there. It's been locked my profit, and then I will let the rest go. Here we can see this is my another two account. Good. Oh my gosh, what is going on there? Oh, you know when the liquidity was taken there, you see this liquidity taken here, there's a strong rejection. Yeah. Probably I will be stop out there. Alright. What is that? 20 points. But compared to the Asian time, you know, the movement is like fairly small, because right now we're only in the like 70 points range. So alright, I was think that this is the another my new low, and then I was expecting make a new high. If it's fail, I'm out. Okay, I'm out right now. Alright, that's the trade. cancel this order, just remember to flag everything like when you exit the trade. So and then we will like restructure the market. But I'm still thinking it's going to take the high. Oh, and also you see this level, this FVG is like so strong. I don't know this movement is going to take this low or not.
Yeah.
So when let's say I didn't move my stop loss here, and then when this happened, I move it here, and then also I will lower my target, like let's say for the center point of the FVG, or the top of or the OB. It's better to set it here because it's an very important level. Like this is where the order block and also the center of the FVG. So I gotta stop out here. Oh, you don't know any ICT? Oh yeah, basically ICT is oh, you know, ICT has his account, the YouTube channel, and then he has his like whole bunch of course for free in his video. I didn't watch the ICT like I didn't really watch ICT. I just heard about it, and then some of the concepts are really like I feel like interest, and then after I try, I feel like it's fairly like useful, and so I was just trying to add some of the tool in my trading, because I'm more like a price action based. I learn more about the price action and then ICT. You watch his, I want to watch his, but too complicated. Yo, if you want to learn, you know, yeah, that's the way. That's the way to learn, and there's no shortcut. If you want, just imagine that you're trying to take money from other people's pockets, so it's not going to be an easy way. So you got to start hard and then also playing good. I just use 20 SMA and daily 4 hours level. And do you mean that? Daily 4 hours? Cause I'm more like a price action based, so I prefer to use EMA here, so you can see my chart. It's kind of like dirty here. Let me get rid of this. There's an easy way. Let me see, option trade. EMA. Let's see. There is so many drawing there, but let's do this way, easier. One by one. ITP at 50 for now and wait. Where you started? 170? Oh yeah, 170. So let's say sell 170. So your target is like 20 points. Where is your stop loss? Here or the top? Because for me, I don't like to take a trade like this. You know the risk reward, right, ratio. So for me, I prefer like a higher ratio, higher RR, because I think I'm not smart, because there is a lot of the professional traders in the Wall Street, so they're all genius. So for me, my age, considering of that, I would say my age, my win rate compared to them is probably like 30, like lower than 50. Let's say 40% win rate. And then if I want to consistently make a profit, I have to make a higher RR, 1 to 2 or even higher. In that way I can make money consistently. No, I'm just like a normal person. Yeah, because there is a trader's equation that I told my friend Alan before. So you always use your let's say my win rate is like 40%, and then I will times my 1R, And then also sometimes I lost like 6% of the time I lost my trade. My profit is 2R, sorry. And then that's 1R. What's the result? That's like 80 minus 60, like 20% of the R. That's what I'm looking for consistently. If you can like keep your equation like that way, imagine that if your risk is like let's say $100, and then you will earn like 20 over the time. Every time you trade, average like 20. The more time you are following your equation, which means the more risk you put in your trade. So let's say every time you trade like a 1,000 times, and then you are going to make how many money? So like 200. 100 times not like that much, because per day you can do, let's say you do like 5 trades a day. How many days was that? 200 days. But a lot of people like trade more than that. Wow. After I switch the liquidity down here, see how the market reaction goes straight up. So I'll say it's very high probability it's going to take the high, because I was trading my stop, so I was sweep out there. If I just keep my stop loss like to the break-even level, right here, and then you will hit my target. How many points was that? That's 300. That's like 60 points. But either way, people have different way to exit the trade, so I will just like stick to my plan. So see if your strategy works. If it works all the time, so just stick to your plan. Unless, let's say one day I found my strategy is going, my model is not working anymore, so that's the time you want to find the problem, where is the problem, and then fix your model again. See, this is my entry, and then first exit partial, 5 of the contract, and then 2 of the contract, and then 3 of the contract. Basically it's like a 3R. So in this trade, yeah, so in this trade I made like a 800. It's like a 400 for each account. It's an MNQ. So I just switch from NQ to MNQ because it's a better way for me to manage my manage my trade, because when I only have one, I have to hold it until my target get filled. So like I use 5 to 100 hands of the targets, and then for target, and then reverse. What would that mean? 50 to 100 handles for targets, and then yeah, kind of like that. Yo bro, just quick question, so how do you find this channel though? Yeah, cause this is a fairly new channel. I just like opened for couple of days. I just started, so I'm also learning. Hope you guys can inspire me and then also complete my strategy and my model. You don't use R levels? Oh yeah, but yeah, you can use different like ways to manage your trade, or to find your target. But the same thing is just like to always take concern of the risk. Oh, if 4 hours red, I only take short. Alright, let me see 4 hours. 4 hours. Well, the 4 hours looks like a green. You're saying you're short here, bro. This is the 4 hour chart, right? Are you trading like a MNQ or NQ? Are we in the same index? I don't know. This is also you know, actually this is also a good level to take profit for the other 3 contract, because usually when the price take the liquidity, the high and then the new high, and then let's say where's another high? Oh, or the same way, like down there, it's taking if the price goes down and take this low, there will be more or less like a reaction there, like this level, this one, this all liquidities need to be filled. You're flat. MNQ only. Oh, MNQ, yeah, we're on the same index. So for this long, I'm not going to hold it for a long time, because since the market is like going crazy all the way up here, so I was like trying to short at the first place, but I didn't get a good position to enter the trade. So, but I found a good position to enter the trade, to long, but I didn't find a good position to short. So after this liquidity was taken, I will watch the price action and then see if I can find a better entry. Yeah, if you are on short, we can like share our mind each other though. Mark the 50 level on your chart and you see what I mean. 50, like a 50% pullback, is that what you mean? Here 0.5, 160, right? 170, that's where you short, right? Oh, I see. The candlesticks like a red, so you short, right? Oh, you just like a trade and oh, I know, you just like following this order flow, and then when the pullback, and then 51 here. I didn't get it, bro. I didn't get it. Wow, see? It's break up eventually. How about let's do the deviation. Use the Fibonacci. Have to go this way to this. From the top to the low. Trying to standard deviation. So usually this is where people took the profit, and also where the trend start to involve to like accumulation again, or like this. And then the -4, the -4 is the maximal extension, so you can see how the price action on this level. 25239.5, yeah. If you know the power of 3, you can know it's like accumulation, and then the manipulation here, and then distribution here. Like so. Price is 120. Open one short. Where's 120? Here? From 120, open short. What's your basic? What's your basic though? What's your base theory, like a price action or ICT or SMT trade? 25220. 25220. You're short here? I would say I will not, because you see this trend is like so strong. So probably we are in a different chart, because this is like 1 minute chart. So if you look, you open short, right? Like a fake breakout. Yeah, you can bet that. So, but it's hard to. I don't know how to put my stop loss. Usually, my stop loss will be is either if I'm short. Let's say I'm short. So, let's say I'm short here. So my stop loss will be always be in the swing high, if I short here, like in this level, my stop loss will be this win high. If I long, let's say if I long here, my stop loss could be this one, and then if I long here, you see, here is also where I put my stop loss. So if you say you just short here, I don't know how to. So we just have different like strategies. So no value on that push. Oh yeah, cause I'm more like a price action based, so I don't watch the value chart. Oh yeah, oh okay. Yeah. So price break above, and then also this is a fair value gap. It's a long buy demand section. Then usually price will get reject here and up, but usually, not always. Especially for the center, the CE, the center. And also the higher time frame you are using, the stronger rejection it will be. If you zoom in smaller time frame chart. Yeah, you are right. They're basically the same thing. FH is like a value imbalance, and then not value until. Yeah, right. You know the concept actually. I don't know why I have this level here. It's probably like a long time ago. But this is a good momentum for my strategy. I can show you my strategy. See, up, pullback, up. This pullback is fairly strong, but what I want to see is like let's say it goes above, like keep making higher high and higher low, and then let's say when it's making a higher low, but the momentum is so strong, it's just break below the previous low, and then this will be the shift of structure. And then if when the price break below this low and even create the gap, which is like the FVG there, that's my setup. I will short when the price come back. You know the fair value gap, like because there is an imbalance there, so the price majority of the time the price will try to go back, fill the gap, and then come down, and then goes down. Take those and then your target will be like liquidity like this, and then also liquidity like this. This could be all your levels, as long as you can or you want to hold. we trade the same way, trade the continuations. No, for this trade, yes, for this trade, yes, I'm trading the continuations, because this is the very bull trend, bull channel, and then you see the pullback. It's not like a go straight down. It's just like a up down, and then so I was thinking this is a pullback. I will buy again to bet there is a trend resumption. Yeah, which it did. I'm just like only take partial of the profit. I only take partial of the profit. That's it. Well, it's since about like right now it's like but this time it's like I use New York time. UTC -4. I use New York time since it's like 5 a.m. in New York. So usually like most of the time the main trade take place around 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So this is the time when you want to hop into trade, so you wish you can get a big move like a wave. Let's say you start at 2 and then you get a big wave here, right? You get a wave here and then you can short here or short here to take the low, which is 50 points, 53 points. Or you can take another bigger wave like this one. This is like 100 points, bro. So that's why you want to long instead of the short. And then the time frame for Asian time. I don't know about the Asian time because I don't usually trade Asian time. I trade London and also New York more often. So I'll say today's probably just I'll be just like a stop here, call off the day, because I myself is more like a focus on New York time instead of the Europe session, more like a US session. Alright, if you like my strategy or you like to like my stream, can you follow, subscribe my channel, and then whenever I'm going on live, you can watch it again. Oh, I'm from China. You mean where is my time zone? Or what? I really like. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that, bro. Alright. I will call off the day. Peace, bro. I'm going to sleep right now. Cool. Yeah. It's nice to talk with you. Right. Bye.